Welcome to Section 5 of Chapter 2, The Importance of Data.
We've talked a lot about data, and we're going to continue to talk a lot about data. It's not only your data, but also the health plan's data. All of that information, all of those quality measures where you're reporting is incredibly important because it's telling a story. It's telling your story about the good work you're doing for your patients, blending behavioral health with medical services to get on top of chronic conditions, keep patients out of the emergency room, keep them out of inpatient care until they need it, of course, or when they need it, making sure the patient gets the type of service at the right place at the right time. That story is told with both your information and the health plan information. You may have a mix of methodologies. Don't be afraid to ask questions. If you have a question, no matter what it is, ask it to the health plan. You want to really understand how to be successful. Ask them that. Ask them what tools they have available that will help you to be successful. Are they going to send somebody out to your practice so that you can look at their information? That's actually quite common. And you want to really be part of that. You want to ask them, where are we missing the mark? How can we do better? What data elements do they have that they can help you to be better at what you're doing? You want to use that ability to get on top of chronic issues and lower overall costs, but be sure that you get paid for it.
Looking back through Chapter 2, we have covered the 3 basic reimbursement models that you will most likely run into when contracting with the commercial payers. There might be others, but these are the most common. Fee-for-service. This is the most common model that is used today as the base for most contracts. PMPM, per member per month, or also called capitation. Remember that PMPM and fee-for-service are often used together to create a mixed model with added incentives. Finally, the value-based model, which is also referred to as shared savings. Value-based contracting can be used with the other models as well, and the goal here is to help the health plan save money so that you can get to share in those savings on the back end.
This concludes Chapter 2. Thank you so much for your attention. In the next chapter, we're going to move on to strategy, how to be prepared for contract negotiations.